Hello everyone, welcome back to the Xiaomi Theme Hub YouTube channel. Today, bringing you a brand new set of Chinese themes designed for international Xiaomi devices. These themes feature unique lock screens with stunning dynamic effects. These themes showcase a minimalist style while remaining visually stunning. Some themes are inspired by the iOS 26 style, offering customizable lock screen options. Change the clock style as well as effects like bubbles, lightning, and more. You can absolutely apply this Chinese theme to international Xiaomi devices using the backup file. Let's take a look at the highlights of each theme, and then apply them to your device. To change the lock screen wallpaper of this theme, follow these steps. All themes include one backup file. You can use it to restore on your global devices. Thanks for watching video. See you in next video coming soon.